Be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video to watch our incredible walkthrough of this beautiful home. Hey, it's David Shelton, just reading a little bit of news. Platte Geddes, number 4 football team in the 9AA final, overpowers number 2 seeded Hamlin. Wow, go Platte Geddes. My daughter Melissa was a cheerleader for that Platte team there in when we lived in New Holland, South Dakota. So enough about me. I'm David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage. What a beautiful day. There's snow outside, sunshine breaking through the cloudy day, and it's November. Goodness, I think it's it is the 13th. It's Friday the 13th. Some people get really weird about that whole 13 thing and Friday combined, but not me. We're doing a live broadcast here on Facebook. It'll be on YouTube and all over the social media planet. But today I want to talk to you about what scares you about taking on big challenges. We're in a place today, one of our listings, that I was involved with this client in finding this property, selecting it, and then with the initial vision of what would this become. And I want to tell you that, well, I'm not amazed at what my client could do. I am just thrilled about being in this space. Now, a couple years later, it's time to sell, and we're going to take you through this space at 3211 East River's Edge Way in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This is a townhome in the Bluffs, no bluffing, but in the Bluffs townhome community. Beautiful, absolutely stunning, built in the 70s. It's kind of one of those places in Sioux Falls where the who's who in Sioux Falls have lived when they downsized or when they arrived here in Sioux Falls. And so my client came from Georgia, and she outdid herself and really raised the bar on this particular unit. This unit was a little tired in its finishes and in the aesthetics, and Marge and her lovely daughter-in-law Joanne, along with a contractor or two, really knocked this place out. Beautiful, beautifully decorated, beautifully refinished, remodeled, and it takes advantage of these beautiful views out into this massive lawn, mature trees, city lights on this huge deck that's just right outside of the living and dining and even kitchen area. We'll walk on in here to the kitchen. We've got brand new cabinets, absolutely really well done, a great color, soft close doors, drawers that are in the cabinet as well, so you can you can see what you've got. Just stunning. We've got the quartz countertops, everything that you would be looking for. Gas range. We have a microwave hood fan, and this actually vents outside. It doesn't vent in the space, it exits. So you're not going to have to be concerned about having that extra either odor inside or the steam oftentimes that comes from our gourmet cooking. So if you're a gourmet cook, this is a house that you want to check out. Look at this cute, super cute breakfast nook here. I love this. It makes me want to stop and have a cup of coffee right here, but we won't stop, we'll keep going. Beautiful wood floors throughout, from room to room, right from the entry all the way through this main floor. Absolutely beautiful wood floors. There is a fireplace here that is just super. You can control it manually or put it on a thermostat. And for those of you that remember years ago, there is a special little spot here, and it is the modest bar. So back in the day, bars weren't this big thing right in the middle of a wet bar, wasn't the big thing in the middle of a room. It was tucked away nice and neatly. So here we have this modest bar right off the living room, which is very cool. So if you do enjoy a drink, then there you go. And if your guests come in and you want to greet them with one, that's good too. Here's the front door right here. We're backing into the entry, but this is a great area to greet your guests from. Just to our cameraman, videographer's right-hand side, there's a half bathroom, powder room right off the entry here, which is so cool. Got a coat closet. Right behind Greg is the 2-car garage. Let's go upstairs. I can't wait for you to see this. Beautiful upstairs. Got a great chandelier as we're going up. The curved wood-topped stair railing. It's just super classy. We'll go into the master bedroom, which is right here. And this is a master suite. And I know that you've heard me say this before, but this is super sweet. The large walk-in closet is right here. And Marge has it like it's a store. We've got newly remodeled, again, all this is newly remodeled, heated floors throughout the master bathroom, a big, beautiful walk-in shower, lots of glass, no dark corners, a little cubby back here for your toilet, which you'll be able to see. And then look at this massive granite countertop here in the kitchen. Beautiful. And again, beautiful windows, lots of light, an auxiliary closet right here and linen shelf. So it's just super well appointed. We'll come out of the bathroom, out of the walk-in closet area, and you've got an incredible vaulted ceiling, bookshelves that are built in, beautiful, your own deck right off the master to enjoy the view, have your cup of coffee there, read your favorite book, and again, this beautiful oversized space for the largest bedroom set you can imagine, and still plenty of room. You're gonna love this. The window treatments, every bit of the attention to detail here is incredible. You'll really love this. Let's go on across up here and we'll see the guest suite, which is bigger than most master suites. And you're probably thinking, well, what in the world is that? $600,000, $700,000, $800,000? No, it's $425,000. This is a bargain. You've got an HOA that's going to take care of the grounds. There's pool, tennis court, clubhouse, all of that right here. And then we have up here on the sleeping floor, we've got a full laundry room here as well, which is super cool. And then as we come in to the guest suite, this is huge. Vaulted ceiling again, super incredible. Big closets. We have 2 sets of closets. One's over here on the wall where we came in. Closet here, closet here. Then we've got tile on the floor, a nice big vanity, a single sink, and then a walk-in closet. And here's your toilet, tub shower combo, all tiled up. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. So really, when you're looking for something and you want to treat yourself, here's what I encourage you. If you're going to be remodeling a home, at your home, and you want to put it on the market, don't stop with, well, that'll be good enough, because great is what people are looking for. Greg and I were talking earlier that really there's not one place in this house where you don't keep saying, wow, wow, wow. Every turn is another wow. And so while we're on that subject, let's go travel down the stairs. We'll go from the second story down to the main floor and then continue down these beautiful stairs, just thinking about the heritage of these handrails. So cool. You find these type of things in very high-end homes. But now we're going to continue downstairs and we'll find ourselves in the walkout basement. So we've got a little bit of grass wallpaper on the walls, which is just super, super cozy, a very warm feeling down here. Then you've got a potbelly ceramic stove right here, which is a great little feature, kind of bringing some of that Georgia into South Dakota. And then we've got stamped concrete patio that is as big as the deck is above. It's down here. And then, of course, you have deer and turkey hanging out in the yard out here. I don't see any right this moment, but they are regular visitors, or maybe we're the regular visitors. I'm not sure. But this is a great space, beautiful family room, great separation of space. You've got a full bathroom down here with a quartz countertop. You've got, actually this is a shower, so it would be considered a 3/4 bath. Tile floor, raised toilet, everything's nice. Nice little alcove here for a desk, perfect. And then here's your the third bedroom. So 4 bathrooms in this home, 3 bedrooms in this home. And this is a great, if you have guests and you want to really take great care of them, this home is going to be that home that you are able to, without any apologies whatsoever, bring them to. You'll enjoy living here. They'll enjoy being here and visiting you. This will help make the memory of coming to Sioux Falls, South Dakota more memorable. They'll remember your place if you choose to buy this place. If this home isn't for you, but maybe it's for someone that you know, please like and share this video with them so it doesn't get away from them. This is David Shelton. I'm the broker at Century 21 Advantage. The other thing that we have here in this house is water softener, which is totally cool. There is some unfinished space for storage, and we won't take you there. But we just want to let you know that if you're thinking about remodeling, we brought you a story, maybe a month or so ago with Chris, and talked about his home on Charles in Colton, South Dakota. Now we're bringing you and telling you Marge's story, and this is just part of her story, but of the home that she completely refinished right here in the Bluffs in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Tucked away, super elegant, HOA to cover the snow removal, lawn care, clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, all that stuff. You get to enjoy some epic living very simply in a great location, close to hospitals, close to shopping, and yet tucked away, and really no one would even know you're here unless you let them know. So this is David Shelton, broker at Century 21 Advantage. We love bringing you these 5 and 5s. If you have questions about this property or any other property in eastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, feel free to give me a call. My direct number is 605-906-8976, 605-906-8976. I'm available really, or accessible, about 7 days a week, about 12 hours a day. I only work half time. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, for joining us here, and we look forward to the next time we see you here on Facebook Live. Thanks. Hey, guess what? We're having our third annual Parade of Lights event downtown Sioux Falls in the R.H. Johnson Plaza. We are so excited about it. I wanted to send you this invitation. Make sure that you click on the link below. This is where you RSVP if you and your family are going to come to the event. If you're driving and not walking, then we have special VIP parking for you and your guests. The Parade of Lights is going to be changed up a little bit this year because there's something called a COVID-19 CCP virus going on. But the event is going to happen and it's going to be a blast. David's Cookies, to the first 100 people that are coming, you're going to get one of these tins. And I would open it up right now and taste one. But if I did that, I wouldn't stop at just one. So I've got to restrain myself. Looking forward to seeing you, your family, and also when you click that link, there's some very special additional information that you're going to want to know about this event. Thanks. See you later.